Hi guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Tanya. Welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So today is the beautiful yellow cut crease eye look. If you want to know how do I created this, watch the video till end. I am using Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. It's a velvety smooth primer that instantly blurs pores and fine lines, and makeup does not only go better but also last longer. So today for my base I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in natural beige. I am going to cover my face, neck and ears. I am using this foundation for the first time and I like this foundation. It mattifies and refines pores, and also it blends very nicely and gives natural seamless finish. And also guys, don't forget to check the description below. I have mentioned all the product details. For highlighter, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Fair and going to apply it under my eyes, bridge of the nose, upper lip area, chin, below the hollows of my cheeks and forehead. After applying it, I am going to take a flat blending brush and blending everything nicely. Taking Swiss Beauty Prime and Set Setting Powder, I am going to set my base. To sculpt my face, I am using Wet n Wild contouring palette. Using an angled brush, I am contouring sides of the nose, hollows of the cheeks, hairline and jawline. So today for blusher, I am applying a very light nude shade on my cheeks. To fill my eyebrows, I am taking this black shade from Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. After brushing my eyebrows down, I am starting with my arc and then moving towards the front and keeping them natural. I am filling the eyebrows very lightly, and after filling it, I am going to use a spoolie to brush them up. And so this is how my eyebrows looks. For the eyeshadow base, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. The same concealer I used for highlighting, I am going to apply it on my eyelid and blending it nicely. Is going to make my eye makeup look more bright. After applying concealer, I am going to set it using a white eyeshadow. Now taking this deep maroonish shade from Makeup Revolution Marvelous Mattes eyeshadow palette and just going to apply it on my crease. I am using a small crease brush to apply it on my crease and going to deepen it, applying more and more color. Now mixing these two shades to blend it over my crease to make sure there are no harsh lines. Now in a small brush, I have taken Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and going to cut my crease. I have taken the very less quantity of the product to cut my crease. After applying it, I'm not going to set it with powder, so just patting over it. Now taking this yellow shade and going to apply it on my eyelid. Applying it all over the area where I have applied the concealer. And it is looking so bright and pretty. After that, I am highlighting my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. Now taking Forever 52 Super Stay Black Eyeliner, I am going to make it a wing eyeliner. I have started from the outer corner of my eyes and moving towards the inner corner. Now the same way I am going to do my eye makeup on the other eye. After applying the darker shade on my crease, I am blending it with a lighter shade. I'm applying concealer to cut the crease. I hope you guys enjoying watching it, and if you find the video helpful, so please give it a thumbs up. And guys, comment down below which makeup tutorial you want next. Starting from the inner corner on the eyelid, I am just applying the shade to the outer corner until where I have applied concealer. After applying the yellow shade, I am going to highlight my brow bone and inner corners. So today I have taken Wet n Wild Color Icon White Kohl and going to apply it in my lower waterline. I like this white kohl, it is pretty much pigmented. Taking the same maroonish shade and going to smudge it in my lower lash line. So today I am applying only one shade in my lower lash line and keeping it simple. Now I am using Maybelline New York Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter to highlight my high points. It just gives a metallic glow. Now before applying mascara, I am going to curl my lashes. I am going to apply Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. It is a waterproof mascara, and today I am not going to wear falsies. And here's the complete eye look. After that, I am mixing these two shades from Kryolan lipstick palette and going to apply it on my lips. So today I have done a bright eye makeup with nude lips. To set my makeup in place, I am using Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer and going to spray it all over my face and neck. So here's the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Comment down below and tell me how much you guys like this yellow cut crease eye makeup. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is in description below. Please give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. We'll meet you soon in the next makeup tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye guys.